What do you think about them, Skyla? Okay, don't kiss them though. No kissing. You ready to go, Skyla?
Yeah, the ghosts haven't started playing with this yet. They just put these in, so.
We go to another farm where we see them up there. It takes a while, I imagine.
Well, apparently they just put it in either today or sometime this week. And the only one that's actually tried it so far is Midnight, who's the smallest of the black goats. He'll do it. Which doesn't surprise me because he's one of the bravest ones they got.
I'm sure it smells different.
He'll take his medicine without a fuss. All the other ones will fight.
Hello. How you doing? Nice to meet you. Okay, yeah, I need that. Thank you. I'm not really sure how your parents are going to feel about you guys touching all these animals.
Alright, everybody, listen up. Go over there. Listen up, everybody. Go over there. You over there. You over here. You over there. Come on. You over there. That's good.
This guy wanted to eat the string from your binoculars, Skyla.
Over there, please. Yes. No. Yeah. That's good. Why are you being pooping right now?
Alright guys, want to go see the wolves and stuff?
Yes. You right there. Go over there. And you stay here. You go over here.
Skyla, what are you looking at?
Huh?
Watch out.
Everyone.
I want to watch it. It's open. Stop stepping the foot.
You go over there. Go over there.
What are you doing, Skyla? Ah, don't put your hand in your mouth. Don't put your hand in your mouth.
You are the leader of all these goats.
You
You tell them what to do.
You are adorable.
You are the leader of all these goats. So you tell everybody what to do.
Get up there, let's let me get a picture of you, Grace. Get it, just go up there. And go far with you, Grace. Go ahead, Grace. Go far with you.
Lacey.
Come this way.
Lacey.
Alice will go up there with you. No, she's not brave enough to go up there. Oh, that back there's
Lacey.
Dude, did you see that? She got nervous.
Alright, I'm ready.
Okay, get your sister. We all have to wash our hands.
Okay, I'll let you
Can we watch?
take a picture. Hold on. Now do it.
Yep, we got you.
Come on, Skyla.